Hey guys, here's the rundown of what I have on TampaMotorcycleRental.com. Once you click to that link, it will take you to RiderShare and you can book that online. This is a Roy Enfield Classics 500. Next one over here is my Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. Next to it is another Roy Enfield Classics 500. And right here is my Indian Scout 60. This one is a Honda CTX 700. It's a DCT. It's a dual clutch transmission automatic. You still can shift if you want with paddle shift here. Next one is another Scout, Indian Scout 60. Backrest and backs. This one is a Indian Scout. This one is about close to 1200 cc. Next over here is a Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Then I have the Triumph Explorer, Tire Explorer 1200. This one have heated grips and heated seats, cruise control. Next to the Explorer I have an Indian Scout bobber. And next to the bobber, I have the Yamaha Striker 1300 cc. All my gear are included with the rental. They are free. I got jackets, gloves, goggles, helmets. And of course, the scooter is a Metropolitan. It is also for rent on the site. And let's go through here. This is another scooter, 50cc. Now this 50cc here, you don't need a motorcycle license to rent this in Florida. All you need is a driver license. Next to this scooter is the Honda NC 700. This is also a dual clutch transmission. Automatic. It got a lot of storage in here. Got a frunk. You can store a lot of stuff. I just got back from a trip, so I haven't cleaned it out, but this one is up for rent as well. And if you're local and you want me to change your tire for your motorcycle, you bring it here. You bring the tires, not the bike, and I can swap out for you for 20 bucks for each tire, front or back. Tube is 25. If you have a tube, it's gonna be $25. And here's more helmet. So that's about it. This is what I have right now, currently updated for October 2023. Hope to see you soon. Bye.